Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix airplane mode turn on and turn off automatically in Windows 11 PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, right click on Start menu, then click on Device Manager. In this, double click on network adapters, then right click on network adapter, click on properties, then click on power management. In this, uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, then click on OK. After doing this, double click on Human Interface Devices, then right click on System Controller, then click on Disable Device. After doing this, close this window, right click on Start menu, click on Task Manager, then click on Startup. In this, you disable unnecessary enable startup, then close this window, go to the settings, click on Troubleshoot, then click on Other Troubleshoot. In this, you can see here Windows Update. Click on Run. It will take some time. Wait for completion. After completion, close this window. Then restart your PC or laptop. Fix your problem. That's it, guys. So in this way, you fix this problem. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.